Let me tell you about this car. This car is rocket boosted, with lasers, side-mounted missiles, and machine gun headlights.
Yeah, but it's useless when you've run out of gas.
True.
Kill Gower. Yet another scoundrel is seeking to wreak havoc on the aviation industry.
Who?
It's Oldfinger. Our intel indicates he's targeting the upholstery and cabinet shops at C&L Aviation in Bangor, Maine, which has built its reputation on quality and unique interior design concepts.
Bugger.
Bugger is right, and everything he touches turns shabby and old. But no one has ever seen him.
Well, welcome aboard our flight with non-stop service from Shawtyville to Nebraska.
Kill, you know what to do. Get inside C&L, stop Oldfinger, and save aviation.
Right.
Looks like y'all broke down. Can I gives you a ride?
Yes!
Bird.
I'm in.
What do you see?
Sure enough, C&L has state-of-the-art equipment and an OEM-trained team that knows how to use it, producing stunning upholstery designs and phenomenal cabinetry, tackling any project from a simple replacement of soft goods to a major alteration of an entire cabin. And every C&L project, like this beach jet, receives meticulous care and finish. Still no sign of Oldfinger.
Welcome aboard, Mr. Gower. How about one final flight for old time's sake?
One man. One mission. To save aviation. He is Kill Gower.
Hello, I'm pleased to report Oldfinger's flight has been cancelled. And he has a new job.
Welcome to Burger Buddy. Can I take your order?
C&L is ready to serve as your interior needs. Meet me and the C&L team at NBAA Orlando, booth 2230, and see firsthand how C&L is the one-stop solution that will help you reimagine your interior refurbishment.
This is your captain speaking. Our landing has been delayed. Appears a giant monkey is hurling barrels down our runway.
Excuse me. Aviation needs me. Again.